welcome back to my channel. It's V Without Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So guys, as you can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be doing yet another Jeffreestar review. I am on the PR, so I get the makeup items first so I can review them for you guys to see if you guys want to purchase them or not. So you guys know I absolutely dootly tootly fruitly love Jeffreestar Cosmetics. He is like my go-to brand, my favorite brand of all time, because his makeup products are outside of the box and I am outside of the box, as you guys can see. So today we're going to be reviewing the new Extreme Frost, which is going to be releasing on Thanksgiving, which is Thursday. So you guys know I am in New York Eastern time, so it usually releases about 1 o'clock here. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. So let's get into this review. So we are gonna first review the new Extreme Frost highlighters. These are pressed highlighters, but they are freaking out of this world, guys. Like, what do you guys see? Like, you can obviously see on my face and my eyes because that's what I use on my face, my eyes, my shoulders, my collarbone, my forehead, everywhere. So as you guys can see, it's like super duper pigment packed, but this is how the package comes, just like this. And it's actually in a leather box. Like, it looks like a box that you would propose to somebody with, like, because it's so freaking amazing. It has pink in it. I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, this is how it comes. And on the back it says, tune your face with just one swipe, rich and decadent, drenched in glitz, so blinding it hurts. And you're supposed to apply this with your fingertips, but my nails are super duper long, so I can't really apply them with my fingers because my nail will like scratch inside of it and I don't want that to happen. So I just use a brush. So this is the back of it. And this is just the wonderful carton. I'm going to take it out of the carton to show you guys the leather box. Leather box it came in. You guys, this box is so like luxurious. I absolutely love it. It looks like you just purchased like an expensive watch or something. I'm definitely keeping these boxes. Stop what you're doing now that I got your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of the notification gang, and you will never miss one of my videos. Keep watching. You open it. Wait, let me rewind that and I'll just insert a clip of the sound like ta-da. When you open it, this is what you get, guys. Look how beautiful this is. So this one is in the shade Sour Ice, which has a green iridescent shade to it. But of course, I am going to swatch it for you guys. So once you take it out of the box, it looks like this, and it does have the name on the back of the packaging. It's in a beautiful holographic white packaging, and I'm just gonna swatch this one for you. Again, this one is Sour Ice. I'm gonna swatch all of them because it's not that many items, so the video won't be super duper long. So on my finger, this is how that shade swatches, and again, this is Sour Ice, so that's how that swatches. Of course, I'm gonna put it on my arm so you guys can see. Where should I swatch this? This one right there. So that is the Sour Ice, and this one has like a green iridescent to it. So the next shade we have here is My Glit, and it looks like this. Again, the white packaging with the holographic sticker on the back, and then once you open it, it looks like this, and this one has pink hints to it. They're all iridescent, but they have different shades to them. So this one has a pink shade, and it looks like this on my fingers, and I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys on my arm right here. So that's what the pink one looks. So I used Gag Me today all over my face. I would normally go for the pink one, but I wanted to kind of experiment with this whole look, and I went with the shade Gag Me, which is a blue iridescent shade. And I'm just gonna swatch it really quick on my finger. And that's how it looks on my finger. And I'm going to swatch it on my arm right there. As you guys can see, super duper blue. Like, I love Gag Me. That's why I basically bathe in it. Okay, so that's all of the Extreme Frost. Of course, I will have all of the details and the prices below in the description. So if you guys are interested in purchasing these highlighters, I'll have the prices in my description. These boxes alone, I would just buy it just for this box. Like, I'm gonna leave them in my room open like this because my room is pink. So besides the Extreme Frost, there are new Iridescent Mirrors. So we were all sent a white mirror. I'm super glad I didn't get the black mirror because I don't have anything black in my room. So this mirror is absolutely perfect. If you guys can see, it's like iridescent. It looks like it glows in the dark, like that's the color of it. It's like a glow in the dark color, but it's iridescent and it shifts colors. And I absolutely love this mirror. Very pretty. Okay, so this is the lip bundle, but let me put everything back and act like I didn't open it. So last but not least, we have the liquid lipstick bundle, and this is the 5th year anniversary liquid lipstick bundle, and these are all the shades that are in there. We have Drug Lord, Doll Parts, Androgyny, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. And of course, I'm going to swatch all of these colors for you guys. First shade is going to be Androgyny, and I have it on my lips. How Androgyny looks on my lips, but I do have the shade Mannequin in the middle to make it kind of an ombre lip. Okay, so now we are gonna go ahead and apply Ho Ho Ho. How Ho 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 looks on me. So next we are gonna go in with the shade Mistletoe. So this is Mistletoe. I actually like this green. This color is pretty. So the next shade is gonna be Doll Parts. If I could open it. Ooh, this is pretty. Pretty pink. This is Doll Parts. And the last shade, which is a white shade, which is perfect for Christmas, it's Drug Lord. I would normally use this as a white eyeliner, but let's put it on the lips. Why not? This is so white. So this is how that looks. Super duper white. I would use this to do like something like a cute lip or something like that, like an ombre cute lip, like put some blue inside the middle and make it like ombre out. But to wear this like outside somewhere, I would not wear this because it's white and I look like Dave Chappelle or something. I'm a fiend for Red Bull. Can I get some Red Bull? Okay guys, so that is going to complete half of the video, not the whole video. If you're interested in seeing how I created this look, just keep on watching.